Everybody, welcome back. Wanted to make a quick video showing you these 4 model kits that I've just acquired. Got these all from eBay, and just wanted to go through them and show you what they are. And maybe you've already got these kits, maybe you don't. I'm going to go through and just talk about them just for a second. I went on ScaleMates, which is a very interesting website that gives you a lot of history on model kits and such, and I've got some background on these kits, and they're cool. But anyway, starting with this one. Oh, by the way, if you haven't already, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, would you go over there and hit the subscribe button? And at this point, no matter when you watch this video, but at this point when I'm making this video, I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate it, guys. You guys have really helped me move this channel along, and I appreciate it so much. First, here is the 71 Duster by AMT. This kit here was released in 2001. So my real quick story, my brother's best friend in high school, which unfortunately passed away tragically a few years after they graduated. But anyway, he had a yellow Duster with the 340 and a 4-speed, and man, that was really the first hot rod I ever rode in. Let me tell you what, that little thing would go. Or at least when I was about 12, 13, 14 years old, I thought that car was the fastest, and it was fast, and it was all cammed up, and it was very cool. But I don't know what happened to the car after he passed away. His dad had it. But anyway, sad story. This kit, let me see what I've got written down here. This kit was tooled new, or new tooled, in 1998. So this kit doesn't have a lot of history behind it. And then in 2007 was, as it was AMT, that was their last release of it. And then Round 2 acquired it, and they have this kit now available. As a matter of fact, I've got it on my shelf. It's they went back with some of the older, well, this one didn't have old box art, but more art than pictures, and it's got a blue Duster on the front of it on the new one that Round 2 released. But yeah, this is a cool kit. My brother's friends didn't have the 6-pack. He had the single 4-barrel. But boy, would that thing go. And man, it just sounded so awesome. But anyway, this is a cool kit. It's an open kit. I'm not going to open these all up. 2 of them are sealed, but all the parts are here. And I forget what I paid for this on eBay, but it was relatively cheap. Next here is one that's really cool, and I've already built this one before, so I had to have another one. And this is the 53 Ford pickup by AMT. This one was released in 1994. I think that's the same year they also released the 1950 Chevrolet. By the way, just if you're interested, the kit number of this Duster, if you want to look at ScaleMates or something like that, the kit number is 8437. You can go on ScaleMates and type in the search bar AMT and then put in the model kit number, and it will bring it up usually. So yeah, this truck here, this is really cool. I built this one before I started YouTube, and I weathered this one. It was my first rust job, and it turned out really good, and I think it's so cool. Yeah, this is a good kit that builds really, really well, and you should get you one if you don't have one already. Yeah, this kit's number 6487. And a little story on this one. This one was tooled new in 1964. So this one, they first built the tooling for this one and started producing it, rather, 1964, and then made it all the way through 94, which is this. And then Round 2 got it, and they have re-released this kit. If you see they used the old box art from 1964. And in 1964, because some of the street rods were just weird to me, but it has these angled headlights. They have the stock version in the kit, and then they have the custom version, which is on the box art. It's got like these angled headlights and opens the hood, and it's got this chromed out engine and all. But if I'm not mistaken, it also, you can build it stock. So you can still get this kit. Round 2's gone back and re-released it. Thanks a lot to Round 2 for doing that, because in 1994 that was it for this one. They didn't produce it after that, and they brought it back. So I'm going to try and get my hands on one of those new ones. And one other thing about this kit is, if you'll notice, if you're searching on eBay or something, if you specifically search for a 53 Ford, there's another kit that AMT had, and it's a flip nose with the butterfly sticking out of the hood, and it's got a flip nose, and it's a low rider. Interestingly enough, that was an MPC kit that somehow, I don't know if MPC and AMT were affiliated at the time or what, but that started life, the one with the flip nose and the one with the lowered front end and all, it started life as MPC, and then it became, if you'll go on Scalemates and look at this kit, the 6487, you'll also see that kit. It's in this like timeline, or this almost like family tree thing they have going on, which is really cool. But yeah, I thought that was interesting. It was an MPC kit, then AMT kit. I don't know how many kits were actually MPC and then became AMT. Not 100% sure about that. Alright, so this next one here, not so special and not so old. It kind of has some age. It looks like it's old. It's got a little bit of, maybe a little water damage. It doesn't really matter. But this is the 1950 Ford Convertible. And this one has, it's a youngster. It was 2007. So this was a kind of a throwback box art on it. And anyway, this kit was tooled new in 1962. Oh, this is also kit number, this is right here, 38451. So kit 38451 by AMT. This was tooled in 1962, and then they produced this thing on and off until 2006. And I just got this. It's not old. I might actually crack this one open and build it. I'm not sure. I'm not big on building my older kits. I kind of like, I'm kind of like a model hoarder. I like to buy them and look at them, and I like to build them. But I like when I buy the older kits, I like to, not, this isn't old, but these starting to get a little age on them. This one is, and definitely this one. I'll put them on the shelf and just look at them for a while. It may strike me one day to do that. Alright, last but not least is this one, and this is the latest one I just got on eBay. Just it came in 2 days ago at the recording of this video. And this is the Little John Butterer. I don't know if you guys ever heard of him. I had never heard of him up until getting this kit. I didn't really care whose name was on it because I just wanted, it's a sealed kit. This kit is from 1975. Right there, 1975, and it is number H1334. And it is completely sealed in its plastic. Looks like it's never had any water damage. It's pretty cool. It's got this, got a chance to win over 1,200 great prizes in Revell's Wing in Wheel sweepstakes. You could win a Cessna 150. You could win 75 flying lessons. Let me tell you what, if that was today, that's a lot of money. 11 Harley Davidsons, 11 Harley Davidson motorcycles. They had to win in 150 record albums, and it says contest ends. This is so cool. May 31st, 1976. I wasn't even born yet. I was born in October of 76, and this is older than I am, which is really cool. What's interesting about this is the sound. If your new kits, it's almost like a silver coin. Have you ever, I know I'm getting way off topic, whatever, but have you ever heard a silver quarter or a silver dime drop on the table when you take it out of your at the end of the day and you empty your change? You can hear that distinct sound of that silver if you are lucky enough to come across one. What I'm trying to make the point is, these sound different. it sounds more, the plastic sounds different. It doesn't even sound, which these have been open, but it just has a different sound to it. Anyway, that probably makes no sense to some of you guys, but maybe some of you guys know what I'm talking about. And the box is like super stiff. Yeah, it's got a lot of age on it, but it's super stiff. Anyway, back to the kit. Sorry, I don't know where my mind goes sometimes. This guy, Lil John Butera, that's what it is, not Buttera. I ruined his name. It's Butera. He was a race car builder, so I just did some reading on him. He was a race car builder, and he, I guess he designed this car or something like that. I didn't look into that, but he designed race cars, and he was a fabricator. And there's this picture right there. Rest in peace, John Butera. He passed away in like 2008 or something. Yeah, so anyway, back to this car. This is the latest one I got. I won't build this one. This one will sit on the shelf and it will get older. But it's really cool. If I can get my hands on another one, and there's several more on eBay, I would get one that's already maybe in a little worse shape. It's got a small block Ford in it, which is cool because I don't know why, but most of your kits, your Roadsters and your old Ford Model A's and T's, they'll have a small block Chevrolet, but good for Mr. Butera. He had a small block, says Cobra valve covers on it. And it's kind of a gaudy looking, maybe for its time period, back in the 70s. You know, it's got those etched windows, got the Jaguar rear axle and all that stuff, which it looks like it would be a pretty cool kit. But I don't know. And the way Revell, it looks like, to me at least, I don't have another Revell box around here, but it looks like the way they've got Revell looks kind of nostalgic. The shape of the R, if I'm not mistaken. Let me find, hold on, let me grab another box that's got Revell. Yeah, it's a little different. Not completely, but it is a little different. I knew there was a difference. So here's the kit I just built recently. And you've got the two different, got Revell. They kind of, sorry. You guys are probably like, I don't care what it looks like. So the Revell there, and then the Revell there. See how the top of the R is a little more sharp and pointy or something? Anyway, big deal. That's my phone, excuse me. Anyway guys, I just wanted to show you guys these kits. I get excited when I get model kits, and I know you guys probably are the same way. You like to get them. Some of you guys like to get them and build them. Some of you guys like me like to get them and hoard them. But nevertheless, I love model kits, and anytime I get one, I don't really have anyone locally that I can say, hey man, come look at my model kit. So I'm going to show them to you guys, and I hope you appreciate that. And if you haven't already, speaking of showing your model kits, go to our Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. And there you can show all of your model kits, and you can show your stash ads and all this stuff. But go over to Model Car Videos Facebook group and join, and we're having a great time there. It's growing pretty rapidly. I think we're up to about 360 or 70 members today, and it's just steady growing. So go over there and join. Also, if you haven't already, go over to Hobby Nut Models and check their inventory out. He didn't send me any of these kits, and that's fine. Mark's a great guy. Go over and check out his inventory. See something you like, you know, get it. There's a link in the description. Go over and check my friend Chris Callan's website out. It's Chris Callan Auto Art. Go over there and check out his paintings of cars, and they're really, really cool. And again, if you haven't subscribed already, guys, hit that subscribe button. Like this video and comment. Tell me if you've got any of these kits. Tell me if you've built any of them. Tell me if you know anything more about John Butera that I did not mention. I'm sure there's a lot about that fella that I did not mention. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot. Have a good one. Take care, and we will see you on the next video. See you later. Bye.